Enter the world of complicated relationships with actor Rajshri Deshpande and writer Amardeep Galsen as they decode the world of their new show Rangeen in an exclusive interview with Vyon's Kriti Tulsiani. Listen in.
Rangeen started as a show about a person, a regular guy, deciding to be a gigolo to prove his masculinity, to prove that he's man enough, because he's seen his wife with a younger gigolo, and instead of trying to understand what happened here, how their marriage failed, instead of having a conversation, he seems to be in a space where he doesn't know who he is anymore as a man. It's like his identity is, in a crisis. And it started off as an idea from there. And when we started reading more about this world that actually exists, we thought it exists only in the metro cities, but we were very surprised to know that it is very much there in the B towns, in the smaller towns as well. So when we started reading about it, it became a story about connection, about identities, about desire, about loneliness, about agency, and about women wanting to own their own narrative. So that in itself, the complexity of this world, the contradictions of looking for connections in a transactional world, the irony of it, that drew us into this world.
First of all, I was just thinking about how is she going to react? Because the reaction will set the tone of this character for me. Will she get angry? Will she get agitated? Will she feel guilty about it? Will she have a shame? What that feeling must be. And then I spoke to Amardeep a lot and Amir also a lot about this, that, I don't think so the shame and guilt is part of it. Because this is what she has done it. She's owning it. And okay, fine. Like maybe अगर उनका conversation हुआ होता तो शायद बात अलग होती. शायद उसने पूछा होता कि क्यों किया तुमने, तो शायद बात अलग होती. पर what he did was, he took a very different turn.
Women's desire, there have been many stories, and everything that, I would say the more we talk about it, the less it is. But I also feel that women's desire has largely been either shown as empowerment or as victimhood. And I didn't want to go either of that route. We wanted to have it to be a very normal, everyday thing,
Such scripts we don't write such scripts for women. Either they are black or they are grey, or, they're completely white, So for me, it was an interesting space to kind of play, because it's so evident. This thing is there in the society, but we want to keep everything under the carpet. We don't want to talk about it because, desire and twisted relationship is, either we make it more tittillating or we want to make it more cheesy, or either a bad humor, slapstick stuff. But we don't want to get into the core of it.
We are so much more accepting of flawed men. They have become a genre now, right? They become a genre, like we're complexed. And the minute you write flawed women, everyone is like, looking at them with a microscope. Someone will say too bold, someone will say too safe.
When Rangeen came out and it's been watched by so many people and there are tons of reactions which is coming, I feel, look at the technology where they are going. And here we are judging a woman based on her choices. मतलब हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी पता नहीं क्या क्या बात करती है, क्या क्या हो रहा है वहां पर, हमें उससे कोई एतराज नहीं है। बट जब एक औरत ये डिसीजन लेगी कि भाई मेरी खुशी मेरे खुश रहने में है, मेरी जिंदगी बेहतर होगी या व्हाटएवर, उसमें प्रॉब्लम है। मतलब कुछ भी करे, हम चांद पे भी जाए ना, वहां पर भी बोलेंगे चांद पे जाने वाली लड़की को बोले थोड़ा अगर घूंघट कर लेती ना तो मतलब मजा आ जाता। मतलब बिंदी अगर लगा लेती ना लड़की तो भाई भारतीय नारी बन जाती। So that's what, you know, no matter we talk about AI, we talk about technologies, we talk about women, you know, managing the whole world, but नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, because that's the society and which has to change, which has to see and look at a show like Rangeen as not as a this thing, but it's as a it's part of our society.